and welcome to my channel. My name is Rosina. Today we are going to learn how to make face scrub. If you are new here, I encourage you to subscribe, press the notification bell so that you get updates anytime I upload a new video. If you've already subscribed, thank you. If you are making face scrub, these are the ingredients needed: aloe vera gel, tea tree oil, vitamin E, honey, baking soda. When you're making your face scrub, you put your aloe vera gel, baking soda, honey, tea tree oil and vitamin E oil in a bowl and stir very well. You are done with your face scrub. Let's get started. I will put 3 tablespoons of aloe vera gel into my bowl. Then add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. Stir very well before you add the other ingredients. Do you like this video? If you like the video, I will encourage you to join my WhatsApp group. Pay only 50 Ghana cedis and you'll be added to the group. To learn more about the products, registration, branding and marketing of the product, I will leave the link to the WhatsApp group in the description box. Follow the link to join the WhatsApp group. I will add 1 lid of honey. Half lid of vitamin E. Two drops of tea tree oil. If you are in Ghana and you went for a training and the training has this video or any of my videos on a pen drive given to you, I don't work with them. So if you do and get any problem, please call them. If you want me to train you, call the number up on your screen. If you need ingredients for this product, call the number below the screen. Thank you. This video is when you want to do small quantity in the house. So if you want to do it on large scale, call me. I am done with my face scrub. This is how we make face scrub. This video is when you want to make small quantity in the house. So if you want to use it as business, call me. As I said earlier, if you are new here, do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you get updates anytime I upload a video. Thanks for watching.